Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're focusing on enhancing your online security. Let's walk through how to set up MSY VPN Custom on your Android device, a straightforward process designed to boost your privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type MSY VPN Custom, tap Install and wait for the app to install. Once installed, open the app and wait for resources/update to finish. This is essential to make sure you get the fastest connection available. Once the update is complete, select UDP or choose your country, then simply tap Start or Connect. That's it. Your connection should now be successful. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step toward a more private and secure online experience. Remember to use VPNs responsibly. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tips on staying safe in the digital world.